Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here for the first time, I want to say a warm welcome to you. Thanks for stopping by and to Stacy and the Days channel. So Stacy and the Days channel is a family channel. Stacy and her family. Yes guys, and we do a lot of niches over here guys. We don't stick to one niche, so you won't be disappointed. Please to go ahead and subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, put it on all. You're gonna see three options. Put it on all so you won't miss any of my uploads. As you can see guys, these are from the oven. I baked them and I made some buffalo wings. I already made my sauce with my garnish and top. I used celery and I use parsley flakes to do my topping, my garnish. Yes, that's what it is, and it's come out yummy guys. I ain't gonna lie, it was yummy, and not because I'm the one who make it, I'm saying it was yummy. It was definitely yummy guys, I'm not gonna lie. Yes guys, so thanks for being here on this video guys. Remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share me out if you can, and another friend to this channel. So right here guys, I made myself a smoothie. My fruits are grapes, blueberries, strawberries, bananas, papayas, and cucumber. As you can see right there guys, yes, those are all the fruits I have in the blender right there. And that was all the fruits I want. I have more fruits could have added, but I just wanted those fruits. And I use my yogurt as well. Yes, I use some yogurt as well, and just a little bit of spring water in it, and I actually made myself a smoothie right there. So that was the outcome of it guys. That is what it was looking like, and I have some ice inside the glass as well. Yes, thanks for watching guys. Thank you all for coming on the video.